Hi there, my name is Anna Maggie and I'm going on a baby moon in 2 weeks, and I want to show you all of my makeup that I'm taking just for the trip, as well as my toiletries. This is my toiletries bag. It kind of opens flat, which is why I really like this bag. This bag is from Impressions there. And you guessed it, it's Barbie. But it is over full. I don't need to take all the things in here. Usually when I'm on vacation and stuff, I just throw all of the samples and toiletries in the one bag so that for the next vacation, I could use it or not. So let's start off with all my samples at the top. I showed you guys these before. These are the glow, I don't need that. These are the glow recipe ones. I'll be taking the Dewdrops, the Niaminicide Watermelon Dewy Flush. I'm taking the Recovery Serum from Avocado and 2 hyaluronic creams. I have too many sunscreens here and I only need one. So I like this one, Invisible Daily by Neutrogena. It is broad spectrum 60 and it's water resistant, good for 80 minutes. So that I'm gonna take. I'm gonna leave the vacation one here. We're gonna go ahead and leave that. It only has SPF for 30, but it smells so good, but it's okay. I need one for the face. It's either this one or this one. This one is the Unseen Sunscreen, and this is the Beauty of Joseon one. So I'm gonna take the Unseen Sunscreen because it is smaller. I am taking one air spray. I have a lot of these glow products and I don't need to take that much. This is a Sunshield Body Glow SPF 50. It has a little bit of like glimmer to it. It's from Kopari. And this is also from Kopari. It is the Sunshield On The Go Sheer Stick SPF 40. Then we have these 2 kind of like shimmering dry oils. This is a glow oil. This is a dry oil. I'm going to leave both of them. They're glass bottles. I just don't trust glass on a trip. These are not, so those are good. As far as these 2, this is a Body Glow with shimmer. Maybe this will give me a little tan, so I'm going to take that. And I'm going to take this one just for touch-ups for my face afterward. We have this Frizz Shield Spray from Moroccan Oil. Definitely going to take that. The hair does get frizzy. I'm going to take this little Barbie brush. Love that. I'm going to take a razor. Oh, here's also a hair tie, like a silky one. And then I'm also taking, these are reusable cooling under eye patches. You throw them in the little fridge and then you just put them on. Lip balm, it's the Play from Supergoop. It has SPF 30. And then I'm going to take this face lotion. I only need one face lotion, and this is the one that I'm taking also from Supergoop. It is the Everyday Lotion with Sunflower Extract, SPF 50. Then we also have this Kopari Sunshield Face Glow. I'm going to go ahead and take this one just so that I could finish it while I'm there. I have 2 eye creams from Chanel Le Lift. I'm taking both of those so I can finish them. I love finishing things on vacation. I also have this Versed Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm. Taking that. I have this small sample of the fragrance from Sol de Janeiro. I'm taking that. Smells very tropical. And I'm also taking the perfume spritz. How many ounces is this? 3 ounces. So anything under 3 ounces is good. I am using this Biossance Squalene Mega Repair Cream. I always like to use like repair creams when I go to like a beach vacation because your skin is in the sun all day long. So taking this one, and then I'm also taking the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. This is a little sample one. These are all the things that I got from Glow Recipe. So I'm taking the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops and the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewy Flush. I'm taking the Pink Juice Moisturizer. I'm going to use this one sort of like a toner for night. And the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. And then lastly, the Watermelon Glow. So we've cleaned out the bag. In this pocket is samples that I've gotten from, or kits that I've gotten from other hotel stays that I like. So this is a nail file right here, and I always take a safety pin. I have this little sewing kit. I'm not sure where I got it. I haven't yet had to use it, but you never know. Here's another nail file and cuticle like pusher thing. Taking that. Taking a cotton round sample. These are Q-tips. And this is a hair like mask. Oh, another thing that I like to take, but I'm gonna put this in a Ziploc bag, is the nail polish that I'm gonna wear. This is the nail polish that I'm gonna take. It's a Revlon Color Stay Gel in the color Lady Luck. It's a beautiful coral. If Luminoso was a nail polish, the blush Luminoso, this would be it. It's so gorgeous. I'm gonna do my toes and my fingernails this color. And if I need to touch up, I'm gonna go ahead and take this with me. I'm gonna see if there's a hack for taking nail polish, because this is a glass bottle, but we'll see. I also need to grab my tooth brush, which is not in here for some reason, and I should be good to go. I'm also taking this Brazilian Kiss lip butter. This is just for the evening when I want to just put on some lip butter to go to sleep. So there's that. Now it can close much better. And yeah, that's much easier. So, and then it holds like this. So it's square, but then it lays flat. Love this so much. I just need to make a note to buy toothbrush and toothpaste, because I don't know what happened to that. Okay, so for the makeup, I'm so excited. I got this new makeup bag from Impressions. Look how pretty that is. It is a Barbie as well. And there's the little Impressions. I featured this in a haul not long ago. Here's the cute little handle. So yeah, this in here has all the makeup that I plan to take, minus the brushes. I haven't put those in there yet. So let's see what we have. So it doesn't yet have foundation or concealer or powder because I don't have two of those. I'm still using those in the interim. So this will be packed on the last day, including that stuff. So first off, I have 3 palettes in here. First one is this NYX Barbie one. This was a collection they did last year and I kept it. This is blush and highlighter. So these are the 2 blushes, and obviously that's a highlighter. When you swirl them all together, they look so pretty, but you can use these individually as well. They're all so pretty and I think perfect for the trip. So we're taking that. I'm also taking this one. It comes with this little lip gloss here on the side. And this is an eyeshadows. These are eyeshadows. So this is the NYX Barbie collection as well. It's a Barbie Party. So pretty. I love these colors. You got your transitional colors here and your more fun colors here. So I think it's perfect. And then just in case, oh, and this lip gloss is a butter gloss in Tiramisu. I love the butter glosses. So that's gonna go as well. And then I'm taking, just in case I need something else, I love this one by Too Faced. It's the Shake Your Pom Poms palette. And it is so pretty. I have loved this so much. So yeah, these are the colors. That pretty corally color is so pretty. And then you have your more shimmering kind of nudes for like a more evening look. So we're taking that. For blush, I have 2, well, you saw I'm taking my 9 Minuside glow drops, or whatever those things are called. They have the hardest name. But I'm also taking a, this is a Profusion Shimmer Hour Liquid Blush Highlighter, Blush Lighter. And it looks like that. It's a gorgeous corally color. We're taking that. And the color is Peach Mimosa, even though I can't have those right now. And then, did I have another one? No, but for bronzer, I'm taking this bronzer. This is the NARS Laguna. It's a sample that I have loved, and I really love using this one. So I'm also taking the Hue Drops from Glow Recipe to add a little bit of that all over color. Taking this LA Girl Shock Wave. This is gold, and just in case I want to add a little bit of that, just a little pop of color in the under eye or in the waterline. That's pretty. I'm also taking the Barbie. This is a NYX jumbo pencil in the shade Dying to Dance, and it is bright pink, just for in case I want to use this on the eye somehow, under eye somewhere. I'm taking two mascaras. This one is the Maybelline Firework Lash Sensational Firework mascara. I'm almost done with it, and I'll probably finish it there, but it's a really good one. And then this doesn't say it's waterproof, but it is very waterproof. It is the Pixie Lash Booster Mascara, and we'll take this one for the day, like I said, for that waterproof need. Taking one lip liner for all of these lipsticks. It is the Perfect, this one is by Melt, and it's the Perfectionist Lip Pencil in the shade Esperanza, and it is your perfect corally shade. This is the just a extra one that I have that I'll put in there. I'm taking my Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Poppy. So the lipstick that I'm taking, I could not narrow it down, so I have 5. This one right here, if you can find this, get it. It is the Revlon Frost Moon Drops lipstick in the color Crystal Cut Coral. This color is so beautiful. I've had it for so long. This is my favorite coral color. Like, oh, I love it so much. So I'm taking that one. I'm also taking these two lipsticks by YSL. This one is in the color 62SD. They have numbers, but it's just like a brighter, deeper coral color. And then I'm taking this one. It's in the color 62W900 163, and it's a little bit lighter. And then we have these two lipsticks. This one is from Hermes. One of my good friends bought it for me. It is a gorgeous coral color. I love this color so much. So we're taking that one. And then I'm also taking the Coral Kiss from Charlotte Tilbury. And it is a corally color. And I just couldn't narrow it down. I know I'm taking more lipsticks than I have days out there, but I'll be okay. And then I'm taking one gloss. This is it right here. This is the NARS Orgasm Gloss. It is perfect, and it goes with all the lipsticks. I could wear it on its own. Very nice. That is that. There we have it. My bags are packed. My toiletry bags are packed for my Cancun trip. I'm so excited. It's going to be a great time, and I feel very prepared and excited. So I am going to, when I'm down there, try to create get ready with me's for the day and one for the evening, and just chat about what's going on in the experience down there. I'm also going to try to vlog and share all the outfits with you. So I definitely am going to try to take you guys with me as much as I can. For the outfits, I'm going to share them on my Instagram. So do follow me there, and then everything else I'll try to share here. I do share a lot of quicker videos for travel on my TikTok. So if you want to follow me there as well, that way you can see all of the content that I'm going to try to create. Thank you so much for watching, as always. And like I say, join me to create a safe space online where we can all grow and thrive together. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll chat soon.